Problem number 20. Tony and Tiffany collect semi-precious stones. At the Rockhound Hut, Tiffany paid $38 for 9 pounds of snowflake obsidian. At the Solid Rock Shop, Tony paid $19 for 3 pounds of the same type of stone. Who made the better buy? In order to figure out who made the better buy, we need to have some equivalent fractions. And so we do that by finding the unit rate for each purchase. So Tiffany paid $38 for 9 pounds. Let's figure out how much Tiffany paid for 1 pound. So $38 divided by 9 pounds. 38 divided by 9 would give me $4.22 per 1 pound. Tony paid $19 for 3 pounds. 19 divided by 3 is $6.33 per 1 pound. So who had the better buy? Well, obviously Tiffany was able to buy 1 pound for $4.22. That was a little over $2 cheaper than what Tony paid for them. So Tiffany's purchase was cheaper. Problem 21. Marie rode her bike 25 kilometers in 20 hours last month. Tamara rode her bike 255 kilometers in 15 hours last month. Are these speed rates proportional? And explain. Well, there's multiple ways we could do this, and I will work through one and then set up the second. One way that we could work through this is to find the unit rate for each one. Because if they share the same unit rate, then they are proportional. So 325 kilometers over 20 hours. And we would find that that concludes to 16.25 kilometers per hour. Tamara did 255 kilometers in 15 hours. And so Tamara was able to do 17 kilometers per 1 hour. Since my two solutions or my two unit rates are not the same, they are not proportional. Another way we could have concluded the same solution is to set my first ratio equivalent to my second ratio and cross-multiply. If my values when cross-multiplying are the same, it would be proportional. If my values are different, which these would end up being different, then it is non-proportional. So there's multiple ways to solve the same problem. Problem 22. The Anderson family is preparing for a family reunion. They think they will need 22 boxes for 6 children. Well, that already sounds like a ratio, so I'm going to write that down. 22 boxes per 6 children. How many boxes will they need if they're expecting 15 children? Well, my second ratio needs to be boxes per children, so that I have boxes per children in one ratio, and my equivalent ratio would be boxes per children. And it asks for 15 children, how many boxes? So I will want to cross multiply. 22 times 15 is 330. 6 times x equals 6x. Divide both sides by 6 so that I can get x by itself. And my x would equal 55 boxes of juice. Problem 23. ABC Shoes and Low Price Shoes both sell Quick Runner shoes. ABC Shoes sells the shoes for $60.05, and Low Price Shoes sells them for $38.85. Today, ABC Shoes decides to offer a 30% discount. Which store offers the better deal? Well, we learned a couple of different ways to find discount. If I have a 30% discount, remember that the price of $60.05 is 100% of itself. So if I have the ratio 60.05 over 60.05, that would be equivalent to 100 over 100. So when I have a discount of 30%, I subtract 30% from 100%. And I now want to know what 70% of that price of the shoe is in order to determine what its equivalent discount would be. So 60.05 is equal to 70% over 100. 70 times 60.05 is 4203.50. That will equal 100x. Divide both sides by 100. And we determine that x equals $42. And we'll go ahead and round up 4 cents. Is $42 cheaper than $38? No. So which store offers the better deal? That would be Low Price Shoes.